Assalamualaikum. My name Kaisha binti Muhammadi. My metric card number is H18A0159. I would like to do first drinks is sunset mocktail, and the ingredients that we need for do sunset mocktail is we have Sprite, Twister, ice cube, watermelon juice, and also mint leaf. So first thing, put a few mint leaf into glass. Then put orange juice, and then put ice cube, and then Sprite, and lastly watermelon juice. So that's all. Thank you. Next, I would like to do strawberry mojitos. The ingredients that we need is mint leaf, strawberry, soda, lime, and ice cube. First, we need to put the strawberry that already smashed into glass. And then put a few mint leaf. Then we put lime, and soda. Then we put ice cube. And we can put slices of strawberry at the top of the drink. So this is strawberry mojitos. So that's all from me. Thank you.